If you're looking for a butter that will soften, hydrate, and moisturize your hair, as well as helping you grow hair naturally, that is very creamy and rich in texture, that will also give your hair the growth stimulation that it needs, then you want to continue watching. I'm going to show you all the amazing ingredients and also their benefits, such as moringa, hibiscus, and also fenugreek that I use in my hair butter, as well as using my herbal hair growth oil, which is also made with amazing ingredients for hair growth, especially when you have dry hair all the time and you want to retain moisture. We will be talking about how we can use this butter to improve and stimulate hair growth. So if you're interested, guys, I'm excited to jump in it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kenzie Naturally, helping you grow and love your natural hair the natural way. Today I wanted to take you into my life, showing you how I make my hair butter. It's made with amazing ingredients, and I'm going to talk about that more later on in this video, but I really wanted to take you behind the scenes of how I do it. Let's jump into the how I make the butter. So the first thing I do before I start doing anything with my butters or any of my products that I'm selling, I'm sanitizing the jars and every single thing that I'm about to use. If you haven't done that, it's important to start doing so with isopropyl alcohol so you can let them dry and be cleaned before you add your product. The next thing I'm gonna put is my machine that I use to whip my butter. This is something that also is important for you to sanitize if you're selling especially your products to people. So then the next step is to double check if everything is good as far as ingredients and measurement. I'm gonna then start whipping my products, but I'm gonna add my oil, which is an oil made with a fenugreek, moringa, hibiscus, and all other ingredients such as other natural ingredients that are made to stimulate hair growth. I'm gonna measure this. You need to measure all your ingredients if you're selling the product, and keep a record on how many times and whichever and how many ounces you're doing that. I'm gonna then put my shea butter, which is an amazing thing that keeps moisture in your hair. It acts as a sealant to protect dry and damaged hair. People with coarse hair can improve their hair texture by using this amazing ingredient as a conditioner to improve softness. So the main reason why I'm using the shea butter is to improve moisture and softness on hair, and especially for people with dry and damaged hair. The next ingredient is gonna be mango butter, which is a rich antioxidant ingredient that can protect hair from radical damages. When you use mango daily on your hair and your scalp, it acts as a protectant and strengthens your hair, which in turn leads to healthy hair growth. I'm gonna continue doing so until I get to the amount that I need for the specific product and specific batch. Once I'm done doing so, I'm gonna put that in a double boiling water so I can warm up the product without breaking all the natural ingredients. Then I'm gonna use coconut butter, which is rich in essential fatty acid, and it makes it an ideal hair growth stimulant. I love using coconut butter, although it's really hard to use it, but I love using it. And then I'm gonna continue putting all this amazing stuff in my product. And goodness, like I said, it's so hard to get this thing out of the jar, but it's way worth it. This butter has amazing butters, shea butter, mango butter, coconut butter, and murmured butter. And I'm gonna talk about more of these amazing ingredients and their properties later on in this video, but we're gonna keep writing this until we get this done. I just wanted to show you what I'm up to, but guys, behind the scene, it's crazy. This is a crazy thing going on. The last butter that I use is Moringa butter, which is rich in essential fatty acid, and it penetrates the hair shaft and keep it protected. It also defines curls really well. We use the science of Ayurveda to make the best product that can help fight dryness, alopecia, hair loss, dandruff, and oily scalp. This hair butter has amazing thing, like I said, and I'm very proud of this product. It's certified organic, that meets all requirements for organic cosmetic. So if you have dry hair, I have some tips for you that I said that I wanted to share with you, so you can know why this butter is amazing for dry hair. The first reason why you can have dry hair is because your hair is not retaining moisture, and this butter, along with all the amazing ingredients that it has, will help you seal in moisture. Because if your hair cannot keep the moisture and hold the moisture in, ingredients that are emollients such as aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, honey, and shea butter, they can help you do that. Next thing you can do is moisturize your hair. And while I'm talking to you guys, I'm still showing you how I do the product. And what I'm doing now is adding the thickeners. Thickeners are things that gonna help the consistency of the product, and they are amazing to make the product more spreadable on your hair so it doesn't get too liquidy. Monoi oil and vitamin E are also amazing for your hair, and that's what I'm using right now. You guys can tell that's what I'm putting, and I'm gonna continue melting this. We still have to use the double boiling method, because the double boiling method help us keep all the vitamins of the ingredients safe. The ingredients, like I said, have shea butter, mango, cocoa Moringa butter, and the ingredients are from butters, courier oils, and especially Haitian black castor oil, the golden one, which is gonna make that thing amazing. That butter is gonna be amazing. And the herbal blend is an amazing Ayurvedic herbal mixture that I prepared so I can put it in and help with the properties of this product. Once I'm done, I'm gonna take this product off and I'm gonna be ready to whip it, and we're gonna continue doing so until we're done. Yeah, so this thing has no preservative. So this thing has no preservative, no parabens, no silicone, no synthetic fragrances. It's made with natural essential oils and other amazing ingredient waxes that are natural and plant-based. Now I'm gonna continue whipping the product, and then we're gonna move on to the next section later on. All right, look at the consistency of the product. I love to make this butter. It looks so good. The fluffiness of this is just amazing. We're gonna continue whipping it until we get to the amazing fluffiness that we need, and then we can just continue putting these things in jars. And remember to clean your jars before you add them to it. And this is the final consistency. This is the final thickness of the product. We're done. We're just gonna place everything in jars and then label them. I find that it's always best to put the product in the jars or any containers before you put the label, because you may mess up the label, especially if you don't have a waterproof label. This may happen. So this is what I'm doing. I'm putting it first, and then I'm gonna add the labels in. Make sure that you stuff that jar with product, because the customers are paying for it, and you want to give them all of their ounce that they paid for. Thank you guys for watching. It's been nice sharing with you how I do what I do as a business owner. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. We have a lot more around here for you to check out, especially DIY treatments, things that you can do for your hair in your own timing, at your own pace, with your own ingredients, so you can control what you put into your hair. And I'm glad that you stick around until the end of this video.